Hello guys, so we are in the question 12. Okay, the question 12 is the first term of a geometric progression, that's GP, is 3, and the fifth term of the fifth term is 48. Find the common ratio. So if you look at this question, there is picked from the sequence and it's under geometric progression. So how do they solve it? So let's answer the solution of it. We have the solution now. So we equal to, to solve this problem, you have to first remember the formula for n time of GP. So the formula for n time of a GP is equal to, when you have the n time, let me say the TL, okay, as n time of GP is equal to, we have a raised power of n, a times r raised power of n minus 1. This is the formula. And we give you the first time, where this a is the first time, and r is the common ratio, while n is the number of time. So, and the question says you find the common ratio, which is want to find the value of r. So in this place, now we are given the first time. First time of GP is given as 3. So our a is the first time, which is given as what? As 3. And you have a is equal to what? 3. And we have to find the common ratio is equal to what? Is unknown. And this give us the fifth time of what? Of the GP is equal to 48. So it means that what? Our T5 is equal to, that is 48. We're given as 48. Now, so what would be the formula for the fifth term of the GP? So from this n term of GP, we can get the fifth term of GP here. So now the fifth term of GP, the formula for fifth term of GP is equal to, we have a raised power of what, where our n is equal to 5, that is what, that is 5 minus 1. Okay, so 5 minus 1, that will give us what, as 4. So therefore, this one becomes our a raised power of what, that is 4. So this is formula for the fifth term of GP, and they say that the fifth term of GP is equal to 48. So therefore now this one becomes, okay, the fifth term is equal to, okay, that's equal to, that is a r raised power of what, of 4, okay, equal to 48. And this is given, let me write this one very well, we have 48. And our a is given as well, the first time is given as 3, where our r we want to find the common ratio. So let's substitute it into what we have here now. So this one becomes, the fifth term now becomes, we have our a multiplied by r raised power of 4 equal to, that is 48. Now to get the value of r, because we want to need the common ratio, you have to divide by the equation of r, that is divide by 3. By divide by 3, that is by 3. So 3 cancels 3 here. Okay, so the remains of our r raised power of 4 equal to 3 here, 1, 3 in 48, it goes what, in 60 times, so it will be equal to what, 16. And now to find the value of r now, you have to take the fourth root of both sides, okay, because it's raised to power 4, you have to take the fourth root of both sides. So when you take the fourth root of both sides, okay, this power 4, you take the fourth root of this side, that is the fourth root, and also take the fourth root of this 16. So we have it like this. So this 4, we count the fourth root here. So now it means what? Let me write it here. So now it means our r is equal to, now we r, fourth root of 16, that's equal to 2. That's fourth root of 16. Because if we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 4 places, we give us as what? As 16. So the answer for r, the common ratio is equal to what? 2. Okay. So the option here is option A. So that is solution to this problem, and that is how you solve it. So let's start to question 13.